Between dogs and children is a bond that brings peace to the heart the moment you see it. His main job is to give his friend food every morning.
He can't throw it yet.
Kids and dogs laugh and play together. The whole world seems to become a little more beautiful. When a dog is your child's guardian, no one can even touch your child. He thinks his brother is getting hurt. They became extremely excited after seeing each other after such a long time. This is probably the best moment and gift of their lives. They may not be able to speak, but they express their feelings through the beats of their hearts.
Now let's try this one. Let's do this one. This one's cute. Yeah, that's cute. I need this one.
In the mischief of kids and dogs lies a unique love that can only be felt. He didn't expect to receive such a wonderful gift, which could become the greatest moment and gift of his life. The friendship between dogs and children is an everlasting tale, where silent love and boundless trust light up every moment. Hidden in a child and dog's friendship are laughter and trust.
Come inside.
Good boy, good boy, good boy.
Good. Otis, you did.
You don't take her passy.
Who needs a babysitter
Biscuit?
when the dog takes care of your child?
Biscuit.
Zeke, he can't play with you.
Children think of the dog as their brother, and often treat him like one.
Winnie, sit. Good girl. Parker, sit. Good girl.
When the dog takes on the babysitter's duties, what's the point of paying babysitters since the service is free? A child and a dog get lost in play together, spreading laughter, joy, and a touch of friendship in every moment.
Rico. Rico down. Rico.
Just.
He met his newborn brother for the first time and filled him with warm love.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
The dog treats children as its own, showing them care and filling them with love. He's feeling a bit jealous that someone else is lying on his owner's lap. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to comment and let us know how you liked it and what video you want next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.